You may not have a grill at your shop or, or adequate cooking facilities or whatnot, but we're gonna show you how to make sausage the traditional Portuguese way, because we're in New Bedford. We're outside of New Bedford, which is New Bedford and Fall River, the dual Twin City Portuguese capitals of the United States. This is called a Bombeiro, which was a traditional way of a clay pot to cook sausage in. There's two types of Portuguese sausage: Linguica, which Dogg calls Linguica because he's from New York and he doesn't know, and there's Chorizo. This is homemade linguiça from my boy Ocho, who was Pete Benavides, who was the old guitarist for my old band ITI back in the day. This is homemade, so we're gonna show you how you cook this. All you need is some grain alcohol, a clay pot, and your sausage, and you're good to go. So first thing you do, the grain alcohol choice, you can use Everclear, but we like Graves just because it's like 95% alcohol, 190 proof, good shit. You just pour that in the pot. Should be enough. And you have this, you mix this with Gatorade, and you're fucking ready to roll afterwards. So we'll cut some of this out. I'll cut a chunk off here. We'll have that ready to go. We'll splay it. Butterfly it, or whatever the fuck you call it. Homemade, not store-bought. Thank you, Pete. And then you need your Benzomatic. There you go. See, it's a 90-degree day. We're in the shop. You can do this.
It's a controlled environment.
Controlled environment. Put it on there.
There you go.
And it'll cook. That's the traditional shit right there. So if you look at it, it's nice and getting a little bit of char there. Looks nice and good. It's been about 5 minutes. 5 minutes is elapsed. You missed some shit. I lit Kenny on fire. I poured more Graves in. It shot a fireball out of the bottle onto his arm. Took the hair off his arm. Let's see, you got a nice char there.
Look at that. And that's all from this little.
Yeah, and then you know what? Not gonna waste Graves, so we throw another piece on there. Let that one cook. Oh, no, I wanna cook the other side first. You can find these on Amazon. It's called the Bombeiro, Bombeiro. I just learned that word yesterday, so I'm not trying to be like a cultural fucking guy. But yeah, or just type in Portuguese clay pot pig or something like that and you get it. But that's homemade linguiça. We'll cut that. And it's best served on a traditional Portuguese roll. I just went to the Portuguese bakery, got these. They're called the pops. So we'll get 2 of these, and then that's it. So you can cook some shit in your shop.
Yeah.
Without, all you need is a bottle of Graves, a little pot. You can cook. Now, if you live in Milwaukee, you can cook fucking
some brats on
some
that.
bratwurst. If you live, wherever you live, there's some kind of sausage you could cook, or you could cook a hot dog. Maybe you could cook a hamburger on there. Hard alcohol, little clay pot, shop cooking.
Just don't pour the Graves in there while it's already lit.
Yeah. Let the Graves burn out before you refill it.
We learned the hard way.
For more life tips, check out choppahead.com.